Here are the keys. She means a lot to me.
See this gap right here? It's completely uneven, and the headlight is sitting way too proud of the fender. The crash bar is clearly deformed here, and if we follow this scrape, you can see where the radiator support completely shifted off its mounting point. I was hoping this aftermarket piece would work, but look at this. The mounting holes are completely off center. It's not even close.
First step is removing the bumper and under trays. I'm labeling every bolt and connector to keep the workflow clean for reassembly. Next, we unplug the headlight connector, handling the cables carefully. Then it's just a matter of removing these final mounting bolts.
That's the teardown complete. It looks pretty good under here. Minimal corrosion, which is always nice to see on an E46.
Using the straight edge, I'm checking the alignment after applying pressure with the jack stands. This has to be precise.
Moment of truth, let's see how this fits. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice and flush. We'll start by loosening these bolts so we can adjust the fender. I'm aligning this gap by hand now, making sure it's consistent before we tighten everything back up.
We're using the new clips to secure the main harness, then tidying everything up with zip ties for that clean OEM look. Getting this under tray lined up takes some effort, but once it's in, we use the torque wrench to secure all the fasteners properly. We start by sanding the radiator plastic, cleaning it thoroughly with alcohol, and then mixing the high-temp epoxy until it's uniform.
And here we have it, the new OEM replacement. Feels good to finally have this in hand, completely straight. Looks like we're completely dry. That repair held up perfectly. Moment of truth. Let's fire these up and check the alignment pattern on the wall. Looks good. Okay, let's plug in the OBD tool, clear these old codes, and run a fresh scan. Perfect, no new faults detected. Okay, the temps are holding steady right in the middle. Steering feels responsive but smooth. As you can see, no leaks on the radiator or the hoses. We are looking good.